Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on subtitles or captions on your Samsung TV. So if we just go on down to settings right here and choose this, if we go to the right with the remote, we can see all these different buttons. We can just go to captions right here and then just turn them on. Once we have them turned on, we should be good to go. Now if this is grayed out where it's not switching over or anything like that, you could try going to a different source like YouTube or something like that. But a lot of these TV streaming apps, you got to turn on subtitles for that different app. So for YouTube, for example, so let's just go to here. We want to play a video real quick, so let's just go to this right here. And then I'll stop it. Well, it looks like this is a sponsored ad for some sort of Coca-Cola or something like that. But when this is done, I can skip it. Okay, there we go. Here's some GMA news. You have an option for captions just right here, and we can just turn this on or off just by going up on the little wheel button, and we should be good to go. So turn it on your TV settings and see if it's working, or just turn it on the specific app you're using. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.